Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Bobby Joe's mom here with another drool-worthy human treat. Low-carb jalapeno poppers. It is that time of year when gardens are full of all kinds of veggies, and one of my favorites is hot peppers. I did not plant any peppers this year, but I am thankful for friends and family that have shared their harvest with us. Today I'm going to share a super quick, easy, and delicious recipe for low-carb jalapeno poppers, and here's what you will need. You're going to need jalapenos, of course. I only use 7 jalapenos since I'm the only one that will most likely be snacking on these in this house. You can always double the recipe for more. A half a cup of cheddar cheese, 4 ounces of cream cheese, room temperature, a fourth a cup of chopped green onion, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. You want to start off with preheating your oven to 400 degrees, and you want to line a baking sheet with aluminum foil. Then I chop up my green onion, and then I slice my jalapenos. I don't slice them in half. Instead, I slice them a little higher up so the sides are higher up and it's easier to bake once they're stuffed. You may want to wear gloves when doing this. I did not have any gloves, but I made sure not to touch the insides of the pepper too much. There are some peppers that are so hot on the outside that you don't want to touch those without gloves on. I grew up in the country down in South Georgia, and my grandparents always had a big field they planted every year full of veggies. I learned quickly not to touch the pretty red peppers, because then when you wipe your sweat out of your eyes are on fire. So thank God for great-grandmas and water hoses to wash out those burning eyes. I didn't want anything to do with peppers after that. I actually didn't start eating them until I was an adult, and that's when I realized how I love the spicy hot taste they give food. So on the jalapenos, I slice around the inside of the pepper with a knife, and then I take a spoon and I scoop it out. And depending on how hot you want them to be, you can leave some of the inside. The inside with the seeds gives the pepper the heat. You can also save the seeds to dry out to plant later. I'm making some of these with everything removed, so they'll be milder, and then others with a lot of seeds still remaining because I like mine super hot. I save the tops I cut off and then chop those up in veggies or chili. Once you have all your peppers cut, then mix together your green onions, cream cheese, and cheddar cheese, and I usually use pepper jack cheese but did not have any on hand, garlic powder, and paprika. Then you just mix it all together until everything is soft and combined. You want to taste it to make sure it has enough flavor for you. If not, just season it to taste. Then you scoop the mixture into your peppers, and then I top mine with a little extra cheddar cheese, but typically I top it with bacon bits, but I'm out of those also. You want to bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and the peppers are soft. Remove from the oven and let it cool for a couple of minutes and then enjoy. These keep in the fridge in an airtight container for about 3 to 4 days. I just heat mine back up in the oven on 400 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes and I enjoy them as a snack. Well, there you have it. Super easy low-carb jalapeno poppers. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a comment to let me know you stopped by, and also click that subscribe button. Or you can click Bobby Joe's icon at the end of the video to subscribe and select all notifications so you get updates when I post new videos. Next time we will have a drool-worthy doggy treat recipe that is perfect for these hot summer days, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Till next time, have a blessed rest of your week and stay safe out there. Bye for now.